Fiber is incredibly important. Health benefits of fiber include reduced blood pressure, lower cholesterol, and a decreased risk for stroke, diabetes, and various gastrointestinal diseases. Dietary fiber is a term that is used for plant-based carbohydrates that, unlike other carbohydrates, are not digested in the small intestine and so reach the large intestine or colon. When a person includes high-fiber foods in their diet, it has many benefits, such as keeping the gut healthy, boosting heart health, and promoting weight loss. Let's see which foods are high-reach in fiber. Watch it till the end, otherwise you will miss the best high-fiber foods. 10 Best High-Fiber Foods. 10 Broccoli flowerays. It takes about 9 cups of broccoli flowerays to reach the daily recommended fiber intake. High in sulforaphane, broccoli also adds 3.2 grams of fiber per cup. And it's low in calories, so add an extra helping of broccoli to help reach your fiber goals. 9 Avocado. The avocado is a unique fruit. Instead of being high in carbs, it's loaded with healthy fats. Avocados are very high in vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, vitamin E, and various B vitamins. They also have numerous health benefits. 8 Apple. Apples are a good source of vitamin C and A and folate. Make sure to eat the skin as well as the apple flesh, as the skin contains much of the fruit's fiber. 7 Bananas. Bananas are a good source of many nutrients, including vitamin C, vitamin B6, and potassium. A green or unripe banana also contains a significant amount of resistant starch, a type of indigestible carbohydrate that functions like fiber. Try them in a nut butter sandwich for a hit of protein, too. 6 Orange. Oranges are surprisingly a good source of fiber. Oranges are full of vitamin C, which is essential for health. 5 Dried fruits. Dried fruits like figs, prunes, and dates can boost your fiber intake dramatically and are recommended for those struggling with constipation. The sugar called sorbitol, which naturally occurs in these fruits, can help your bowels and lead to more comfort. However, eating too many can lead to cramping or diarrhea. So try a small serving and see how you feel once you've digested them, before noshing on too many more. 4 Beets. The beet, or beetroot, is a root vegetable that's high in various important nutrients, such as folate, iron, copper, manganese, and potassium. Beets are also loaded with inorganic nitrates, which nutrients are shown to have various benefits related to blood pressure regulation and exercise performance. Give them a go in this lemon Dijon beet salad. 3 Berries. Berries get a lot of attention for their antioxidants, but they're full of fiber, too. Just a cup of fresh blueberries can give you almost 4 grams of fiber. And there is nearly the same amount of fiber in a cup of frozen unsweetened blueberries. Blackberries, strawberries, and raspberries are also great sources of fiber. Of course, one of the biggest benefits of berries is that they're naturally low in calories, too. 2 Beans. Lentils and other beans are an easy way to sneak fiber into your diet in soups, stews, and salads. Some beans, like edamame, are even a great fiber-filled snack. All of these provide a great source of protein, too. Some bakers have even started including beans or bean flours in their baked goods, which research proves can still make quality cakes. 1 Walnut. Touted for their heart-healthy omega-3 fats, walnuts can also help you reach your fiber goals. If you eat about 2 cups each day, sprinkle on cereals and salads or blend some into your smoothie. If you found this video as helpful to you, please hit subscribe button and share it with your dearest one.